Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you easy step by step how to create Facebook group for your website. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to facebook.com/groups. So here is it, the feeds here. So here you see everything about. So here you see your groups. If you have any at all, so you can see all the group that you have. If not, you are going to create new here. So you can just click create new group here. So I have no group right here, as you can see on this area here. So I want to create new group for my website. So you're just going to click create new here. So here you want to enter the name of your group. So I want to enter baby. So here you are going to choose the privacy of your group. So if you want it to be public, if you want the group to be public, you can just choose public here. So you want everybody to see this group here. So if you want it to be private, you can just private it. So only your members can see everything about this group here. So if you even want to see the group, you can tick it or you can tick it. So I want people to be able to see this page here, this group here. So I'm just gonna tick that, and I'm going to create this page here, this group here. So let's create a group here. So I scroll down and click create. So if you want to invite people to the group, you can just go here and be able to invite your people to the group. So if you want to browse, you can browse here. You can manage your group here. So here you can see your admin access 0, as you can see. Here you can see badge request. You can see pending post here. Here you can see scheduled post. All the scheduled posts that you have. Activity log, you can see it here. Group rules, you can see it here. Members request content. Here you can moderate alerts here. Group quality, you can see it here. And here you can grow your group from there. So if you scroll down here, you can set scenes up here. You want to set anything up about your group. Here you can add features, more features for your group. Here you can go engagement, admin, moderation, and app setter, community hub. So here, let's add image to this group here. So I want to add cover to this group here. So to do that, you want to click edit here. So here, if you have any photos already on your Facebook, you can just use it here. Here you can choose from your photos. Here you can choose from illustration. And here you can upload from your computer. And here you can add from affiliations. So I'm just going to upload the photo from my computer. If not, if you don't have any photo to upload, you can just go to Canva and you can arrange one photo here. You can arrange a cover. So if you go to Canva, so here at the Canva area here, you want to look for Facebook cover. Go and edit it. Then you come back to Facebook and upload it there. So let's upload this image here. So now the image is there. Now that I've uploaded the cover there, so you can just click save. So now that we've created our group, so here if you click here you can see your content. Here you can share this group here. Here you can manage notification. Here you can pin this group here. Here you can follow and sort comment. You can sort comment here. Here you can post this group and leave the group here. So here on this image here, so if you click on this image here, it's going to show it's going to pop out this page here. So here, if you click on this angle here you can add text. Here you can edit location. Here you can delete photo. Here you can turn off notification, turn off translation, turn off download, make profile picture, make cover picture, enter folder, embed. So there are a lot of things you can do on this area. People can like this page and stuff. So here you can also write stuff and you can add link on this angle here, as you can see right there. Here you can add story, you can view as add action, you can add action button, invert frame, start toss, and so on and so forth. So if you want to create post, you can just create post here. If you want to add description, you can add description. If you want to add a cover photo, we have added it just now. So invite members, you can invite them there. So that's how you create Facebook group for your website. If you guys have anything or have any question about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.